Hey, it's Boudreaux and Eunice on call. Alright. Little gift video and some very sad news. Well, yeah, I'm gonna say the sad news after. Okay, the good news first. A friend of mine, Puddin Tang, YouTube fans, they sent me this camera, Digimax A7 Samsung, and they sent me a gift yesterday in the mail. Well, I got it yesterday. It was 2 SD cards, a 2 gig card and a 1 gig card, memory cards for that Samsung. Boo and Missy, hope this helps. I know it's old stuff, but hope it works. Only about 30 minutes of video, so I read. But if it focuses, it will be so good. Keep the videos coming. Puddin Tang. They don't have a channel that they make videos. They like to watch videos, you know, from people that do good content. And I like the way they package this, you know, with that aluminum foil around the cards in case of magnetism in the post office or something. I tried the 1 gig and 2 gig card. Guess what? It works. I just need to get me a USB cable to hook it to my computer, because my computer doesn't have a card reader. I don't know why. It looks like it does, but the cards won't fit in it by the disc port, this DVD port. So I made a video, I think it was around 3.5, 4 minutes, something like that, and it did work. Well, the sad news is a little puppy dog, Zode. She's 5 months old, and I taught her how to fetch. She was fetch a shoe, taught her how to shake hands. She was a little small show dog, 6 pounds, gonna be 6.5 pounds max, probably. We had the doors open today. Very nice weather. We had them open the last 5-6 days. All this very nice weather we've been having. She was playing in the house, and then just all of a sudden went outside and ran across the street. Well, some idiot, a flower child, a blooming idiot, came off her from Highway 13 and just turned on our street going real fast, and she got run over. Well, I heard a lot of yelping, this and that and other. I went outside to check on her. I thought she was in the yard. She wasn't. And I knew it was the end. Sure enough, 5 minutes later she died. She started bleeding out her nose. Sorry for the sad news, but I did go bury her. Okay, I know my voice is cracking up a little bit, but we love that dog so much. But we'll see her later in doggy heaven. And after I buried her, it started raining a little bit, just a sprinkle. And then when I got back to my back door, it stopped raining. So I guess the angels were crying over Zode. So, we'll holler at y'all. Plutai.